Installation of double-acting arm. Check that you have all tools needed. Remove the door stop. Remove the micro switch lever. Remove the micro switch and its cable. Mount the bracket to the electronic board with the 2 screws. Mount it to the operator. Mount the plastic cam. Mark pull for pull opening direction. Adjust the micro switch just to the cam. Open the door to 90 degrees. Mark the back side of the door. Position the operator 135 mm to the outgoing shaft. Make sure that the text normal is visible. Do not set the start position pin. Insert the sliding block into the guide rail. Mount the guide rail on the door leaf with the 2 fixing screws. Fix the arm system slightly to the operator with the telescopic part loose. Try to adjust the door to the closed position. If the door cannot find or be adjusted to the 0 position, mark on the arm a line on the adapter. Move the adapter in the direction you want to adjust the arm. Each mark gives 3 degrees difference. Adjust the telescopic part to the 0 position and tighten the screw with the washer. Make sure it is 0 and tighten the screw without washer, which will secure the position. Tighten the fixing screw with 50 Nm. Mount the end plates. Check that the door will find the 0 position. Connect the rev counter. Connect the motor plug to the pull contact. To make the door close with reduced speed at power failure, put the enclosed jumper on TP201 and TP202. Connect the micro switchboard. Fine adjust the plastic cam, make the door close slowly from both directions. Make a terminal bridge and a kill switch if required. From EXU SA number 4 to EXU SI number 7. Set the dip switch number 6 for pull arm. Change parameter settings. Push and hold the learn button while connecting the mains. Watch arrow LED blink twice and release button. Select parameter group 19, 20 or 21. Remove the mains to confirm the setting. Connect the mains again. Connect the sync cable between the master and slave unit. Make a learn. Be aware that the door will open both ways to make the learn. Make a learn on the slave door. Master door will open up to be free from the slave. Make an impulse. Try to push it. Make a breakout. Ready.